Down low, one-on-one fast break.
Well, they weren't going to pass up that chance to get out and run following the steal.
Here's Jaquez. And another back. And the Heat get another bucket. Here's Jaquez. It's good.
Happy with those kinds of possessions.
And the Heat, another three. The fader. Jaquez, Maxey into the lane, and it's blocked. Here's Jaquez. He hits it from 9. The Heat have gone 2 for 4 from the field so far today. Second chance shot, and the basket is
around, just lucky he was off.
2 very easy points right here. Jaquez with the bucket.
Brings to the table.
Puts it up from 15, and it's Miami with another one. They really haven't found their rhythm yet offensively here. He muscles
the look too often.
And he takes the feed in stride and slams it home.
He may not have that traditional power forward build.
We've got 1:28 left to play here in the fourth. Jaquez launches a three, and the Heat. Here's Jaquez. And another boost. Good 11 points in the game. And that's off. Here's Jaquez. He's covered by Maxey. He's guarded by Melton. And it's good. Over 3.5 minutes through the final quarter now. And it goes.
In terms of playmaking, Trey is as good as they come.
And that one is good. Jaquez, defended by Young. Jaquez with the bucket.
Good way to start this.
Right, that's one way to get your team back into it. Here's Jaquez. And that's it to Jaquez. Good, and Butler gets the assist. The second quarter so far. Here's Jaquez. And there's
freeze if you're not careful.
And here's Jaquez. Good.
Just too slow to rotate.
Jaquez with the bucket.
His
Bryant trying to free it. 40 seconds left in the third quarter. 7-13 in the third quarter so far. Just above. Here's Jaquez. Hits the difficult fadeaway jumper. Here's Jaquez. And he sinks that one. Lets it go. Jaquez.
This is when it gets real and when it gets fun. We're here to play in the...
Here's Jaquez. He's defended by...